The Apple Watch Series 6 and Watch SE smartwatch duo just launched in September 2020, but now Apple is selling a refurbished used versions. This refurbished smartphone is $100 cheaper than the new smartphone on the official store. The biggest price difference applies to Apple Watch Series 6 GPS Plus Cellular 40mm stainless steel case with refurbished white sport band, which is sold for $599 from the normal price of $699. One of the cheapest variant offered is the Apple Watch SE GPS measuring 44mm with space gray aluminum case and black sport band. This accessory is priced at $259 from the new price of $309. Even though they are actually pre-loved items, Apple claims that all these refurbished Apple Watch accessories have gone through a full functional testing and thorough cleaning process. But Apple Watches come with the original watchOS operating system and 1-year full warranty period that can be extended through the Apple Care Plus service. Prospective buyers who are interested in getting this Apple accessory will also get other benefits in the form of free shipping and unit returns. It is worth adding that the new refurbished Apple Watch Series 6 and Watch SE are found on apple.com stores for buyers in the United States. All refurbished Apple Watch Series 6 and Watch SE models show an out-of-stock status. Apple did mention that the refurbished Apple Watch SE and Apple Watch Series 6 will only be sold while stock lasts. Apple was previously known to often resell iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Apple TV devices that had been refurbished.